Styling with CSS. Tables by default are very bland. They have no borders, the font colour is black, and the typeface is the same type used for other HTML elements. CSS cascading style sheets is a language that developers use to style the HTML content of a web page. You can use CSS to style tables. Specifically, you can style the various aspects mentioned above. So table header, table data, border 1 pixel, solid black, font family, Arial, sans serif, semicolon, text align, center, semicolon. The code and example above demonstrates some of the various tables aspects you can use using CSS properties. We've included a CSS containing instructions for styling the HTML content in the index HTML. In style CSS, set the font size of all table headings TH and the table data to 18 pixels. So, table.
To keep the match as equal as we could, I chose number 5 and number 7. You know, number 7 is a totally non-aggressive type person.
TD, TH, TD,
disappointed with the 5 She just wouldn't.
TH and TD.
Number 2 suffered from that.
He didn't like it.
And the font size. So, font size
I thought about 2 as well. Yeah.
is 18. 18 pixels, semicolon. Run.
Double time.
So, as you notice, they're going bigger. Review. Great job. In this lesson we've learned how to create a table, add data to it and section the table into smaller parts, making it easier to read. Let's review what we've learned so far. The table element creates a table. The TR element table row element adds rows to a table. To add data to a row you can use the TD element table data. Table headings clarify the meaning of the data headings are added with the TH element. Table data can span columns using the column span attribute. Table data can span rows using the row span attribute. Tables can be split into 3 main sections: a head, a body, and a footer. A table's head is created with the T-head element. A table's body is created with the T-body element, and the table's footer is created with the T-footer element. All the CSS properties you learned about in this course can be applied to the tables and their data. Congratulations on completing HTML tables. Take some time to experiment with your new knowledge. Hooray!
It's all about the ladies' man, all that sketch. You want to tell us a bit about that? I've spent most of my life seeing.
Which of the following tags is used to separate the footer of the table from its body?
Particularly good when it comes to relationships. I'm very good with commitment.
T-foot. Which tag surrounds an entire table of data?
Getting close to it. I don't really do that sort of stuff. I do the emotional stuff. Really.
Which tag adds a new row header to an HTML table?
Just tell us about growing up and what was that like and where you were from and all that shit.
Family originally from London, moved out to Essex. Mum and dad divorced at 11. My dad's.
What does the following CSS code add? Table data, table row, border 1 pixel, solid black. Table header, border 1 pixel, solid blue. So, 1 pixel, border, solid black.
It was all about making money, so I thought that's what kind of.
As it is in the city, isn't it?
Yeah,
When you're young.
that's what kind of brought happiness. But
1 pixel.
and then you sort of develop a persona.
1 pixel blue border to the table footer. 1 pixel black border to the table body. 1 pixel blue border to the rows. Is that one? Aye.
I smoke far too much. I drink far too much.
What does the following code do? Table row, table data column span. So it spans 2 columns out of town, back in town. It creates a cell that will span 2 rows. It creates a cell that will span 2 columns and a cell that will span a single column. And we'll make all cells in that row span 2 columns. Adds 1 pixel. No, I think it's that one. Which of the following tags is used to enclose the row of a table containing its header? Headers. Which tag adds new data to an HTML table?